Hey you guys, so we're gonna go over the agenda for this week. So there's a couple of changes that I wanted to talk to you guys about. First of all, everything is due Sunday at 11:59, and that's gonna be a thing for the next 2 weeks. It's because we started back on a Monday, and so we needed some stuff to do. And so since it started back on a Monday, you have until Sunday at 11:59 to get everything submitted. Um, this week you have, well, if you read the agenda, then you'd see that we are doing notes in class. So if you are absent, please let me know so I can send you the video notes. At home, what you need to do is the 4.4 homework on big ideas, and you're going to show your work and submit all of that to Schoology. And that's in the 4.4 folder within the chapter 4 folder. And then anything that's missing so far from chapter 4 also needs to be submitted. And that is because all grades are due pretty soon for the end of the quarter. And so I want to get all of those missing assignments turned in and graded so that way your grade's updated and you have an idea of what your grade's going to look like for the end of the semester. There's also a chapter 3 retake available for those who need it. It's located at the top of our course on Schoology. I can show you where that's at. And in class, what we are going to do is review what we've done so far in chapter 4. And then we're going to do the video notes, and then we have a review activity of everything so far. And so that's kind of everything that we've got going on this week. You'll notice I did put a hyperlink to our Zoom at the bottom. Our Zooms are from 9 to 9:45 on Wednesdays, and then Thursday and Friday from 10:30 to 11. Let's get out of here. So you'll see in your folder that the only thing that is available for you to see is the 4.4 homework showing work paper. This is where you submit it. Keep in mind you can't get full points unless you submit a picture here, and that's not available until after class because we don't have the notes yet. And so I wanted to do that in person. It's a little bit more complex, chapter 4, topic 4.4, so I thought it'd be better to have those discussions in class. And then I wanted to show you that the retake is sitting right here at the top of our course on or in Schoology. So if you wanted to do that, that's here for you. I take your better score out of the 2 tests, and it can improve your grade quite a bit. If you've not taken your chapter 4 quiz yet, let me know. That's also located in Schoology in chapter 4. That is in 4.3, and the quiz is here at the bottom. And so that's all we've got going on for this week. If you have any questions, let me know. Get on those Zooms with me. But other than that, I'll let you get started on your coursework for this week.